Hello friends, my name is Rathod and today I will teach you how you can mail using the Python. This is one applications. Okay, so let's go. Here I have written a code, wrote the code. Okay, here SMTP. Here I'm calling the SMTP library. Okay, SMTP I was told you in last lectures. So SMTP is used for mailing purpose. Okay, so when you use this SMTP, okay, so right here your email ID, from which email ID you want to send that email ID, and the password which you created. Here you can, here you wrote that. I wrote here. Okay, I don't want to show my password, so that's why I'm writing here dash dash dash. But at that time when you created SMTP app, at that time the password will automatically generated. Just screenshot it, take this screenshot, because next time you can't see it. Okay, and save it. So, and to the location to where you want to send. So I just change the mail ID. Okay, so I just want to my college mail ID, Divani dot Rathod. Oh, now I just want to send on this mail ID. Okay, Rathod. SMS IUID watch. This is okay. I want to send a mail from Divya dot mail ID to Divyani dot Rathod @asms.org mail ID. So let's see how we can. So here is the server is equal to SMTP library. Okay, and SMTP library I call actually this library. You can write here. You can write here as ST or whatever you want to give the name, and you directly write this name. Okay, dot SMTP. Here smtpgmail.com. The port, okay, this 587 for sending the mail. Okay, here I already mentioned that. Okay, a port 587. TLS, transport layer security. Okay, so I wrote this port, and then here my message. Here I used a server login. My email user is this mail ID and my password, which I don't want to show, as I already said. Then server, send mail for sending mail, email user, send, and my message means this message will be, I want to this message pass on. Okay, from this mail ID to this mail ID. So I just want to stop my sharing so I can write my mail ID password. Okay, so stop sharing. 2 minutes. There we go. Okay. Now go on run button. Run. You can directly use F5. Okay. Save. Okay. Okay. I don't want to show you password. That's why I'm doing this. Now again sharing my screen. Okay. Here we go. Here I send email. Just click on option. Just go on audio file. Just go on run button. Click on run button. After that you can see this Okay, these messages. This means well, your mail was gone. Okay, your mail is gone. Okay, then just check it. Does it really happen? So here is yes from the Divera tutor. You can add an subject also. I will show you how you can add the subject. Okay, I'll just sending this mail. Hi, is this correct? Yeah, I don't want to show my password. So let's stop sharing. Okay, okay. Is it? Yes. So when you run model, um, here I was sending a message. Hi, there is sending this mail from Rathod. So I got this mail. Okay, at my mail ID here. From this mail ID I was sent. So you can see this message also in sent. Okay, sent. Rathod. Okay, this message. So next, you can see my another. Yes. Oops. Okay. Now I can again show you how we can add an object. Okay. So before that, again stop the sharing because there is then wrote my mail ID. So that's why I don't want to share. Okay. So let's see. Okay, friends. Again, I'm sharing my screen. Okay. Here actually I have mentioned different messages. Okay. So for adding our subject, here import the in text for the text. If you want to add some others, okay, here user mail id can use here sending where you want to send, then for adding the many parts, that multi parts, same way. Here I want to add a subject, so for subject I used mention here subject. Okay, then this is body means my main message which I want to send. Okay, then add body, then plain. Okay, then just text message smtp. This is my port server. You can again same process. Okay, and send the mail. Now go to the run button, just click on run model F5. Okay, so let's see. Here I am writing my password. Okay, now I will save this and change my melody Rathod. Rathod at the rate AISSMS minority org. Okay, now run this. Our window will be, let's see how we can. Okay, so after running this, successfully passing my message mail, this will be shown the message. Okay, so let's see. Okay, here, uh, yeah, yes, here, yes. Now subject is added Python, and here is the message. You can similar way you can add multiple files. You can send the files. Okay, attach the many files. So how you can add these files? I will show you. Okay, let's see how you can do this. Here we go. Okay, again I will show my windows. Okay, so this is same things for adding our text. Okay, input encoder, input os is required for sending the object. Okay, so here I am now sending one file, png file. Okay, one image I want to send, so that's why I'm here using file name, the extension .png, whatever you want you can send it. So 587 port, send mail, same things, nothing changes, just here the file name for attaching this attachment. Okay, there's the attachment here mentioned, I mentioned here. Okay, file name rb, what is my file name, python code png. Okay, base applications. Okay, this encoder which I used here. Okay, my os. Okay, message text, let's see. You can again see I got mail using this. Yeah, I was now change the messages using the Streamlit. Okay, but here you can also change it. Okay, you can write here is my Streamlit message. Okay, and write the code or whatever your, I mean, the coding message I was actually sent to me myself. Here I'm mentioning. Okay, so thank you friends for attending my lecture, watching my lectures. Okay, video. Thank you friends for watching my videos. Okay, sorry, I was forget to. Yeah, this is this is it. Okay, thank you. Okay.